What is up, guys? My name is YouTube Jared, and I have a super old hamburger that I'm gonna eat today. It is 7 years old. Where is it? Right here. I've been having it inside this container for, like I said, around 7 years now. So it's actually from Burger King. A lot of people have the old burgers from McDonald's and stuff like that. But this one is from Burger King. So let's take a quick look at it. We're gonna open it up right now. We're gonna eat it right now. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Make sure like, subscribe, and share the video. Right now, I'll give you a few seconds to do that. All right, here we go. So this is it, you guys. Old burger. I don't know how well you can see it right there, right now. It's pretty hard on the top. So there goes nothing. Wow. It's actually not that bad. Pretty old. I'm surprised it's still preserved. I feel like I'm eating history. Not bad. Not too bad. In the night, I hear him talking, coldest story ever told. somewhere far along this road. He lost his soul to a woman so hard. Na na na.